Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I'm coming to you with a store haul, but this is from multiple stores. So let's get into it. The first items I'm going to show you are from Lowe's. So I got, and please don't think I'm crazy, I got these really cool Christmas artwork pieces. So I got multiple ones. That's one of them. And that one was the sleigh rides. This one is the North Pole Bakery and Cafe. And I got a really good deal on these. So I actually went back and got the rest of them. Some of them are the same, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use them as a piece so that I can create a piece of art. So a couple pieces of art actually. So this is the mistletoe for 25 cents. And one more. So there were four of them that had different things on them. And that's the Christmas tree farm. So I'll be using this, and I have to kind of fix some of them. But I'll be using these for my Christmas in July party. And of course, during Christmas time as well. So my next place, I did get something else from Lowe's. It's a 5-shelf unit, and I actually got two. Those are actually for my basement for me to store anything from the winter season, which I want to put down for summer, or vice versa, and all of my Christmas ornaments and decor. So that's still a work in progress, so I'll let you kind of see how that's coming along at a later date. And then I went to Dollar Tree and I got some things for a collaboration. So I got these mini votive candles. So they're just tiny little white ones. And you may know which collaboration I'm talking about. I got some lace doilies. That's a hint. And there's a 32 multi-pack. There are 4 different sizes, and there are 8 of each. Obviously, that's 32. And I got 2 packs of the red taper candles, and red is my favorite color, as you can see. But I got these for mainly for Christmas, but I'll be using them in tablescapes and stuff too. So that was all I got from Dollar Tree, and it was basically because they only let 20 people into the Dollar Tree, and I think I was like 21, and these other people wouldn't leave. So I was like, you know what? I'm the one that's over, so I'll leave. My next store was Target. So, as you guys know, I have a new phone and coming. And this is a phone case. So this one is for a 6, a 7, or 8. But apparently the phone that I'm getting can fit this. So we'll see. We'll test it out and we'll see. It smells like bananas. I don't know why. And then I also got pearls, another hint. So I got some pearls. And I got, sorry, I'm trying to straighten things out. And this is mainly for work, but I got some correction tape and a pack of pens. I took a mug full of pens to work, and they are all gone. And someone actually took a NKBA, the National Kitchen and Bath Association, someone actually took a pen from me as they were signing, and they walked away with it. So that was upsetting. All right. So then I also got something from Bed Bath and Beyond. Yay. So this one I have not opened. I know what it is already, but I'll show you guys what it is. Okay. You guys, I don't know how to use a knife. Are you surprised? Are you shocked? I'm surprised and shocked. All right. And ta-da! I got, there's a lot of stuff and limited space in here. I got 2 of these ornament storage bins because instead of the big bins that I've had over the years with the red tops, you have to put the actual pieces of cardboard in there. So what happens is, if you need the ornaments all the way from the bottom, you have to dig through, or you have to take all of the partitions apart. And I'm kind of tired of doing that. So I started just throwing anything in them, but I didn't know what colors I had and which ones I need to replenish. So getting these helps a lot. And I think they hold up to a 3-inch ornament, but they hold 112. I have squeezed more out of these before with the smaller ornaments. So I've actually had, I think, like 201 before. So, but I got 2 of those because, as I already said, I am actually redoing my basement and trying to clean things up. So there's the second one. There's another one that I'm looking for, and it holds the super big ornaments, like 4-inch and 5-inch ones. So I'm looking for that one, but they didn't have it. So my next item came from Amazon Prime. And ouch. This is my last one for this shopping haul, but I got quite a few things still that I need to buy. And I don't know what all is in here. I think I know, but they told me they were sending all of my stuff. Oh, okay, so they did. So I got another case, and this one is quite small compared to this case. So this is not the right one. So they sent me the wrong case. Yeah, no. This, I don't think is gonna fit. So that will go back. But I was really excited to get my Pokemon case. But as you can see, those are quite different. So I don't think that's gonna fit on my new phone that I'm getting. No, that's definitely not gonna fit. So that one will go back. That's disappointing. And it came so quick. And then I got, so you know, every year I do the Cleveland Playhouse Festival of Trees. And I normally do I normally do 2 trees. Last year I did one. This year, if they wind up having it, I'm going to be doing two. Now, I'm not going to let you know what the themes are yet. Of course, this year I'll come out with another video of me sketching out the tree idea and design. But with trees, I do it a little different. I actually buy all the items first and then figure out how I'm going to make the tree come to life. So, this one, and you can take your guess in the comments below of what you think I'm doing. So this is a satin ribbon, which is supposed to be wired. So I'm disappointed again because this is definitely not wired. Yeah, this is supposed to be wired ribbon. But clearly that's not wired. I might still be able to use it, but I don't want to keep it too long if I can't. So I have to figure some things out. We'll just get it figured out. So that might go back. I'll sit that one over here. That case is definitely going back. Sorry, you guys see the top of my head. And then I got something else for the other tree. So I got more ornaments. I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking you're crazy. Why are you getting all these ornaments? But I really do actually need them for what I need or what I want to do. So I got more. So they're very pretty and I like the size. So I think these are 3 inches. It might be 2.5, but that's a good size. And I really like those. So you got a matte. You have a wavy design on a shiny one. You have a onion shiny. And then you have a sparkle. So those will be good. 2, 4, 5. So I think there's what, 20 in here. So those I'll keep. But one more thing. Chalkboard paint. So I got black chalkboard paint, and this is for one of those Christmas artwork. And it is actually for one of the extra ones that I got after I purchased these 4, and then I bought some more. I think I bought 4 more, but they're all the same pattern. So one I was going to use as the chalkboard to write down anything that I needed to do. I don't know where I'm going to put it because my husband is actually doing the design for the office. So I don't know where I would put it, probably behind the door. So I can write down collaborations that I have coming up. I can write down things that I need to purchase and all that good stuff. So, but you guys, that is it for my multi-store haul. I will have some more things coming very soon. So I'll be able to do another haul. I have something coming from IKEA. And I have something else from Target. And then I have something else from Lowe's. So I'll have another haul that I'll do. And then I'll show you guys that. That one will be a short one because there's not very much in that haul. So you guys, I hope you like what I got. And like I said, in the comments below, let me know if you think you might have an idea of the type of Christmas tree, one of the Christmas trees that I'm going to do. But you guys, like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell twice and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. But you guys, until next time.